Okay, now we're at lesson 5.3, solving systems by substitution. So to start off with, we're just going to go right into an example and work through this process together. So to solve a system by substitution, first you're going to do is solve for a variable if necessary. So sometimes they'll give us a system where we already have a variable solved for. This time we don't. So we just have to pick which one it looks like it's going to be the easiest equation to solve for either x or y. I would say that the second equation, and if I solve it for y, it's going to be the easiest because y has a coefficient of 1. So we're going to start by subtracting 2x. So we have y equals 9 minus 2x. Now that I have one that's solved for y, I'm going to plug it in for the same variable in the second equation. So I'm going to plug 9 minus 2x into my second equation for y. So I'll have 3x minus 2 times 9 minus 2x equals 10. Now, step 3, I'm going to solve for the second variable. So we're just going to simplify this down and solve for x. So I'll have 3x minus 18 plus 4x equals 10. So 4, 5, 6, 7, x minus 18 equals 10. Now we're going to add 18. 7x equals 28. Dividing by 7, x equals 4. That was step number 3, solving for the second variable. Step 4, I'm going to plug the solution to the first equation and solve for the original variable. So now I'm going to take this x minus 4 and I'm going to plug it back in up here to the first equation I used. Now we can plug it into this original equation, or you can plug it into this one you solved for the variable. Either way is okay. So we're going to do y equals 9 minus 2 times 4. And we're going to solve that down. 2 times 4 is 8. So I'll have y equals 9 minus 8, or y equals 1. Then the final step is to write the solution to the system as a point. So I would have 4, 1 is the solution to my system. Okay?